We want to solve the trigonometric equation 3 sine theta is equal to 2 cos theta, and we want to solve it in the range from minus pi radians to pi radians. Since the question is given in radians, we are expected to give the answer in radians. However, we can do the intermediate working in degrees. Minus pi radians to pi radians is the same as minus 180 degrees to 180 degrees. The equation is 3 sine theta is equal to 2 cos theta. Dividing both sides by cos theta gives 3 sine theta over cos theta is equal to 2, and now dividing both sides by 3, we get sine theta over cos theta is equal to 2/3. We know that sine theta over cos theta is tan theta, so we get tan theta is equal to 2/3. The principal value we can get from theta is inverse tan, or shift tan on the calculator, of 2/3, and this is 33.7 degrees. We can now use the cast diagram. 33.7 is here, and for a positive tangent the other one is in the t quadrant, 33.7 below the horizontal axis. We're looking for solutions between minus 180 and 180, so we start at minus 180 and come forward by 33.7 degrees. This gives us minus 146.3 degrees. We keep going, and our next solution is at 33.7 degrees. We don't meet any more solutions before 180. So we have 2 solutions to this problem, and we need to convert these answers that are in degrees into radians. We know that 360 degrees is equivalent to 2 pi radians, so 180 degrees is the same as pi radians. To convert an angle in degrees to radians, we multiply by pi over 180. If we do that to both of these, then to one decimal place we get minus 2.6 radians and 0.6 radians.